Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add WordPress, or how you can integrate WordPress into your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, this isn't technically possible. There are no official integrations made, since these are two systems that, well, make the same thing work, or that do the same thing. Squarespace and WordPress are both website builders, with websites on Squarespace being easier to build for new people. However, they don't have as many customization options and add-ons that WordPress has at the moment. Now, you can actually connect them sorta by actually creating a subdomain and then actually going through with that, and I'll be showing you guys how you can point a subdomain to WordPress or Squarespace using this article right here. Now, as you'll see, you do need to create a subdomain, and the first step towards this is to get a hosting. And once you have a hosting, you can get one for about $5 each month, compared to at least $12 for the cheapest Squarespace plan. Currently, there is a plan for, I think, $9. However, that is only currently during the the discount. But yeah, once you have a hosting, you need to transfer the domain to a new host, log into Squarespace, go to menu, settings, and domains, then search for the domain you want and uncheck the lock domain button. And from then on, you can ask the support at your new host to transfer the domain for you. And many hosts offer that as part of the deal as newcomers, so you might not even have to contact them. After that, you will need to create a subdomain. For this, you'll need to log into the cPanel of your hosting and look for the subdomains folder. You can create a new domain and name it as a page on the website, pretty much. And if you're trying to get a better blog, create a blog.site.com subdomain. Then you can just install WordPress, download the software, and use it on your PC. You'll get the WordPress files in a .zip format, so you can freely use it, simply so that you have an easier time and don't have to use it online. Then you just need to go ahead and design the actual site, browse through the templates and select whichever you want. And you have certain themes that can actually be merged together, some others can't. And as you can see, these are two examples of which can work together, the top one on Squarespace, the bottom on WordPress. And after you're done with that, you can then create a seamless connection, while your main domain and subdomain that houses WordPress are two different websites. Your visitors won't be able to notice that if everything is done correctly, and for all they know, they're accessing a blog or shop page. And the easiest way to do this is by making the navigation menus identical, and the blog page may be slightly different in style than the Squarespace site, but the navigation is what makes both pages seem identical. And then you can just go ahead and export the Squarespace website. Once you're done with that, just log into Squarespace, go to Settings, Advanced Import and Export, choose to export WordPress, save the file on your hard drive, save the images manually, get the WordPress importer, import the website to your WordPress hosting, add images manually, check if everything's working fine, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.